Okay guys, welcome to our channel. This is Tech News episode 1. First news, Poco plan to launch new device. It's named Poco X2. Poco officially posts some specifications and photos. I'm just compare this photo and specifications on Redmi K30 and 100% it's same. Yes guys, Redmi K30 renamed to launch Poco X2 in India, but it's 4G device or 5G. Some leaks tell it's 4G and some leaks tell it's 5G. Maybe Poco launch Poco X2 and X2 Pro. And wait just 3 days. February 14 Poco launch. Just I am compare Poco actually posted some photos versus Redmi K30 photos. First photos, phone bottom side also same 3.1 jack and Type C port and speaker kills. Just phone color only difference. Poco is yellowish gold but Redmi it's pink color. And other photo and this is officially Poco post on Flipkart side and phone side facing fingerprint scanner. Yes, Redmi K30 and Poco also same side mounting fingerprint scanner and liquid cooling system and same center quad camera setup and 128 refresh rate. So this is the Redmi K30 renamed to launch Poco X2 in India. Second news, iPhone SE2. 1 year back, lot of the people waiting for iPhone SE2 because it's budget segment and its brand Apple. But now Apple plan to launch the budget segment phone iPhone SE2. I have only one question. How many people buy this device? I think my opinion it's a price 30 to 40,000 rupees in India. So how many people buy? Much better value phone OnePlus 7, 7G and Realme X2 Pro. Now the day people buy mobile phones only value for money, not a brand. So what do you think guys? iPhone SE2 worth or not? Please comment now. Xiaomi temporarily stopped Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G launch event. Reason coronavirus purpose. New date not announced, but I think when China come the normal situation, then Xiaomi plan to launch the Mi 10 Pro 5G. Next news, Meizu plan to launch new device. Its name Meizu 17. This is a real hands-on image. See guys, no chain and no notch. It's 98% screen to body ratio phone. It's looking amazing. This device processor is a Snapdragon 865. It's a new processor, but this device not support 5G. I have only one question. Where is the front camera? It's pop-up or under display camera, it's I don't know, but this device support under display fingerprint scanner and the base 8 GB RAM 128 GB variant. This phone come with 40,000 Indian rupees and $700 in US price. What do you think guys? This is my first tech news episode. Do you like this episode? Don't forget to like, and you have any issues, any complaint, please comment now and fix the next episode. Thanks for the watching and please keep support me.